I always knew that I wanted to express myself artistically, and music happened to be the medium that I did it clearly and that made sense. Like any art, I'd say that Chamorro music in general plays a big part in the awareness of our community to know that no matter who you are, where you come from, or what you do, you have a voice. To me, decolonization means that community that was colonized needs to take the necessary steps to see what makes them them before they were colonized, and utilize that to show they're capable of surviving and they're capable of thriving. At the end of it all, our colonizer has the final say. So I feel like being independent would give us a sense of choice. And it's like, we are who we are because we choose to be who we are, rather than we are who we are because we're told to do that.
CHaCHing out the white man's bringing all the customer. It's natana upper colostama. Todo Hamza stand so behind you. And do everything now I man do, even though better. CHaCHing now the white man's bringing all the custom. It's a gizanatana upper colostama. Togi todo Hamza stand so behind you. Can do everything no white man do, if not better. Why oi, why oi, why oi oi oi. Body that she body, that body there. Enigmatic entities, energy, automatic, aristocratic, emphatic, addict, methamphetamines, metaphors, better dreams, reservoirs, letter schemes. Let them remember me entering their clouded memories. We pave roads in the ocean, spreading ties that we gonna. Logistical fraudulence ain't exist cause we barter. You're just burned to be up and dismiss that underground. Your system grows around, so all your sales were upside down. Gold chasers and cloud niggas chased us out without a doubt and took us out of our outriggers. It's outrageous without wages, with taxation and fake saviors. Saved us with some biblical pages, then they kidnapped our babies cause it's a God-sent mission. Rape our ladies and baptize the babies without permission. Knock your ships on my shores, I say welcome to Eden. We bedded you and fed you, made sure everyone's eating, and double barrels to our heads divided, stripped of our dignity. Frame us silos like roadness, yes you stole our divinity. We wanted better, not in bed diseases causing chicken sounds bad. Guess what, oh me, the plot still thickens. I said CHaCHing now the white man's bringing all the custom. It's a gizanatana upper colostama. Togi todo Hamza stand so behind you. Can do everything the white man do, if not better. Chillin' ghetto street corner, we learn our walk back, and you forced us more forward, perverting and us in mind. We love land, sea and sky. Now your smoke is getting higher, I can barely see the sky. Sliced our heads and propped it up on a stake. Chemical warfare blamed on a brown tree snake. Graffiti Doraniti with your Spanish priest in Japanese. Now somehow we're owned by the land of the free. Never had we asked for 10,000 Chamoru casualties due to these fellas thinking they got better things to deal with. I guess it would be easier to settle things by placing my island within your quarrels and enemies. Cause you're privileged, motherfuck, your manifest destiny. CHaCHing now the white man's bringing all the custom. It's a gizanatana upper colostama. Togi todo Hamza stand so behind you. Can do everything the white man do, if not better. Boy, oi, boy, oi. opposite. They took the biggest man in the ville, chained him up, then Jesus walked him to the top of the hill. Let them loose, then tied a noose up on our branches, resting instead the watering his plants inside his branch, no dressing. Now that's depressing, and now we just keep regressing without a figment of initiative. You have my blessing, now get the fuck off my land, don't want to hear no howdy. I don't know nothing about me, and I don't fear no howly rowdy. Out no Otta ika naimo tano jantasi para by bab magasi saki out top mo need and shoku the etsu getting as do starta it's still a bit my Chamoru militia Hamzu touching out the white man's bringing all them customers. It's a gita natana apakao lostama toki todo Hamza stand so me and you can do everything now I man do, if not better.
I express my vision for Guåhan's future through my music by living day to day as a musician from Guåhan. My family has passed down the tradition of making music on Guam for so long, and it's something as simple as that that allows you to know that you can pick up anything from the past, even if they say it's dissipating, even if they say it's going away or it's dying. It just takes one person to know it and you to be willing to learn it for it to have two people that know it. So yeah.